All right, guys, today I want to make a quick video and show you how to use a ratchet strap. Like I said, it's not hard to do, but if you've never done it, like I said, I'm gonna give you a couple tips to help you along the way. So first thing I do when I get my ratchet strap, when I get the ratchet, I like to get that slot in line right there. That way it's easy for me to feed the loose end of the strap through. So from that point, like I said, I'll come on this back side, I'll feed it through, and then I'll pull back. And then once whatever I'm strapping down, I'll take the slack out. Okay, and then I'll start the ratcheting process to lock it down. So let's go ahead and apply that on the truck, and I'll show you what that process looks like. All right, so I'm gonna take this strap. Like I said, you just grab it and you can pull it along the way, and that's gonna get all that twist out of it, and it'll keep your strap on plane. That way it's not twisting on you. So I can throw all that back there. I know that once I start ratcheting, everything is gonna be straight. So then I take my ratchet again, I feed that loose end through, and I start taking up some slack. Okay, I go over what I'm locking down, continue taking up slack, get that twist out of it. All right, so as you can see, I took up all the slack. It's a little tight. Now I'm gonna start ratcheting. All right, so now I'm locked in there. So now I've got a lot of tail loose end to deal with. So I'm gonna take it. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. Like some people got some fancy knots that they use, which are great. I just don't know them. But what I like to do, I run it back through that, depending on how much length I have, and then I'll take it and I'll just pull it under my strap, and that pressure will keep it locked in. And so then I just got a little bit of tail to deal with, and I'll just throw a simple knot in it, and I'm good to go. So everything right there, that's locked in. I handled the loose end. So now to take it off, like I said real quickly, I don't have any fancy knot in there, so it's easy to get rid of. I slide that back under. So now to loosen it, to take it off, you take this ratchet and you open it all the way back up, and it pops out. Then you take your slack up, take your slack out, and that's it. After that, one thing I'd recommend is just putting your stuff away. That way, next time you use it, it's ready to go. If not, you throw them in your bag. They get tangled up. All right, so that took me all of 5 seconds, 10 seconds. If you got you some tape, just something simple, throw that on it, and now you're ready to go next time. So one thing I would say, a word of caution with these ratchet straps, they do disappear. So you need to have 4, 5, 6 of them, because you can count on 3 of them going missing. So anyways, like I said, simple video. I hope this was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe.